Welcome to 2210 Hampton Court. Let's go check it out. This 4-bedroom, 6-bath home is over 5,000 square feet with a 2,000 square foot finished basement. Check it out.
Welcome to the kitchen, where you have great space to entertain with your friends or eat lunch with your family. We have this beautiful quartz countertop that goes seamlessly into the maple herringbone backsplash. We have custom maple cabinetry with this beautiful Z-line gas stove. Great space for cooking and entertaining with your friends and family.
This is your primary suite. Come on and check this place out. Beautiful windows that open up to the front of the house. More natural light over here in the primary part of the bedroom. Big spacious area. Awesome vaulted ceilings. Over here you've got your sliding glass door that takes you right out to your patio. And then my favorite part, check this out. Again with the quartz countertops, Jack and Jill's, your soaker tub, and then over on this side, a monster walk-in closet. You're not ready for this. Look at that shower. You've got 8 different jets coming at you from all different angles. Beautiful tile work. Probably my favorite part of the house.